Hello wonderful people, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make any text into outline in Adobe Illustrator without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can make text outline in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. So first thing for you have to go to your type tools. So you click on your type tools and type in whatever make outline. Okay, so type in whatever you are trying to type, and then you can change the font style from the top here. You change the font style. So I'm using this font style right here, so you can increase the font size. Okay, making it more bold, and I can make it okay, it's on regular. So this text right here, we can easily make this particular text an outline without any stress. So let me just make a duplicate of this text down below right here. So when I make a duplicate of this text, so all you have to do is to come to the home tab right here and make sure you remove the fill. So when you remove the fill, it's become invisible, and then you have to come to the color palette again, come to the stroke palette, and you add whatever color of your choice. So I'm making it black color, so you can see it's become more fixable. So for you to make it more fixable in terms of outline, you have to come here again, and then you can increase the stroke width, so you have it this way. Okay, so you can as well increase it if you are not satisfied with the result. So with this one right here, so you can see it has been easily converted into we are able to convert this particular text into a stroke outline text using Adobe Illustrator without any stress. You can easily change the color from this point here to whatever color of your choice, so you are still going to achieve the same result. Everything depends on you. Okay, so this is how you can make text outline using Adobe Illustrator without any stress. I hope you find value for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks about Illustrator tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.